Hello and welcome to the channel. On today's video, I'll be opening up 3 Panini Contenders football hanger boxes, seeing what the contents hold. I'm hoping for like Joe Burrow rookie as well as a Justin Herbert rookie. 2 would be cool, but mainly just looking for the quarterback rookie cards, things of that nature. This is the first hanger box on the whole video. If you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe and like the video. This kind of comes, if y'all don't know, it's hard, very hard plastic. $30 cards per box. Here's your 30 cards right here that comes with it. So very excited to see what's in here. It's an investment. Can hold on to these like assets and sell them down the line, or on any dollar if hopefully there's value in here. So we got a season ticket Ben Roethlisberger, and a season ticket Dak Prescott, as well as a season ticket Jason Witten, and a Teddy Bridgewater. My bad. Teddy Bridgewater. This sounded weird. Season ticket Dalvin Cook, Tyreek Hill, a JJ Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster, Mr. Corvette, a Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, a Tom Brady, Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White. Almost said this is Josh Allen, but this is a defensive player. Terry McLaurin, Rookie of the Year, DeAndre Swift. Legendary Contenders, Ray Lewis, Rookie of the Year, Levisky, I cannot pronounce our last name. Around one numbers, Clayvon Chasing, where the hell. Winning ticket, Lamar Jackson. Alright, another winning ticket, Lamar Jackson. Patrick Mahomes. Anything with Patrick Mahomes is just nice. Rookie of the Year, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Not bad. It's a big name rookie. Legendary Contenders, Joe Green. Alright. Panini Contenders, Joe Burrow and Tua. It's not bad. MVP, Drew Lock. Not the MVP is shit. Rookie of the Year, Justin Jefferson. Oh, this is a nice card. Nice card here, has some value. And an MVP, Aaron Rodgers. Rookie of the Year, Van Jefferson. So I think the most valuable card in here would probably be this Justin Jefferson. I just bought like a Justin Jefferson lot. It's like $30 off of Twitter. Follow me on Twitter as well as I had a Monty Apart Twitter in the description. Let's see what the second one holds. Sorry for like the enthusiasm. Nice freaking been on the run. Yeah, a big ass cargo session, if you want to call it that. Be sure to look at my other videos as well. Yo, season ticket, DeAndre Hopkins, Phillip Rivers, overrated, not a Hall of Famer. Ben Roethlisberger, Dak Prescott, Jason Witten, very similar. Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook, Tyreek Hill. This is very similar to the last pack. Marvin Jones Jr., Richard Sherman, Raquan Smith. Alvin Kamara, one of my favorite players. Todd Gurley, second. Jalen Ramsey. Tom Brady, my absolute favorite. Gardner Minshew. Chase Young, okay, that's nice. Big rookie. Bo Jackson, legendary. Round 1, Contenders. Chase Young and Jeff Okuda. Ben Roethlisberger, MVP. Rookie of the Year, CeeDee Lamb. That's nice. Jerry Rice, legendary. Rookie of the Year, Jerry Jeudy. All right, this is some nice big name rookies that are pulling. I just hope for a quarterback. CeeDee Lamb and sorry for the blur. Can't even freaking see that myself. Winning ticket, Tom Brady. Lamar Jackson, MVP. Rookie of the Year, Jalen Reagor. And MVP, Dak Prescott. All right. So, I mean, the highlight would be probably that Chase Young. But the highlight of those two. The first 2 hangers, on to the third and last one. Get the knife. And I bought these for resale. It's just so hard freaking find these at your local Walmart. I'm sure you guys already know, or Target, if they even sell these things at Target. I think it varies. At my local Targets, they don't. Adam Thielen, underrated, underappreciated. Travis Kelce, he is the greatest tight end of all time. I don't know why people say Stephen A. Smith say he's a Hall of Famer. He's the greatest tight end of all time. People were saying Rob Gronkowski was the greatest tight end of all time. Rob Gronkowski could not even stay healthy. He's coming from a huge Tom Brady fan. Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, Phillip Rivers, Ben Roethlisberger. Speaking of Rob Gronkowski, Melvin Gordon, Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Clark Jr., Ryan Tannehill, Marvin Jones Jr. It's a rookie, Artavis Pierce. Probably ain't gonna be shit in the NFL, to be honest. I'm not really excited to pull that rookie card. Let's be real. James Robinson, so I mean, not too happy with these, to be honest. Brett Favre. Round 1, Contenders, James Morgan, and round 4, Contenders, Deshaun Watson, Rookie of the Year, Henry Ruggs. It's not bad, Henry Ruggs, rookie. Dick Butkus, legendary. Okay, that's nice. So that's what we fucking wanted right there. Justin Herbert, Rookie of the Year. Okay. And please now, MVP Tom Brady. Rookie of the Year, J.K. Dobbins. And a round 1 Contenders with Justin Herbert and Jordan Love. I am pleased with that. I'll take a Justin Herbert rookie, as well as Justin Jefferson rookie, Chase Young rookie, Henry Ruggs, Jerry Jeudy, and CeeDee Lamb. Can't complain. I was for a second. But if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, and like the video.